In this video, I will show how to calculate the percentage difference between two values in Microsoft Excel. So very easy and quick way to figure out difference between two value. Just you have to type this formula. Firstly, I will clear. So type this formula equal sign. Now select this second value. In my case, I have this two value. Select. So type equal sign, then starting bracket, opening bracket. Now we have this two value. So firstly select the second value, then minus and select this first value. Now closing bracket. Now type this divide symbol and again select this first value. Now press enter. Now here select it and select this percent symbol. Now right click on this cell and click on format cells and make sure select this percentage and decimal places make 2. Here you can see the sample. Then click on OK. Now drag and drop to apply these settings, these all numbers. That's it. So this is the way, guys, you can figure out, you can calculate the percentage different between two values in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.